Hello, my name is Simon Armstrong. I set up Saltus 8 years ago with John McIntosh. John and I were graduate trainees together in the city over 2 decades ago now. We both spent the early part of our careers at big investment banks. I spent over a decade working at Goldman Sachs in London, New York and Hong Kong, and John was a very successful institutional fund manager at Schroders and was then a fund manager at Deutsche Morgan Grenfell. What became pretty apparent to us was that the biggest and the best of the Wall Street banks were very good at managing the investments of the world's wealthiest families, but when it came to people like you and me, investing our own money, or friends and family asking us where they should invest their wealth, we looked up and down the UK high street and we were a bit surprised and disappointed to find that what was on offer for the average hard-working person in the UK was pretty mediocre and a little bit me too. There may well be lots of well-known financial brands on the high street in the UK, but when you look below the bonnet, it becomes pretty apparent that they're all investing your money in the same sort of stocks and bonds as each other. In other words, for the vast majority of people in the UK, when it comes to how your pension is performing or how your ISA is performing, then sadly it tends to be the case that if the stock market does well, then you do well. But if the stock market does badly, the chances are that your investments will also do badly. Now that doesn't seem fair to us, and we know it's not what you want us to do. Our clients don't come to us and say, "Oh, here's my money, can you stick it in the stock market for me?" What they do say is, "Here is my hard-earned money, please be careful with it, and please invest it sensibly, because what I'd like you to do is to grow it over time so that I can comfortably retire." What our time at the big investment banks did teach us is that an investment portfolio that is truly diversified across more styles of investments than simply stocks and bonds, and where that portfolio has access to some of the world's best investment talent, it has more chance of delivering what it is you're looking for. In other words, in simple terms, to provide you with the real growth that you're looking for over time in as steady a manner as is possible. So with all that, we decided to break away from the comfort of the big banks and to set up Saltus with one simple aim in mind: to invest wisely on behalf of individuals in the UK, utilising all the skills we had learnt along the way.